Just over 2 years ago my younger sister died. Grief almost always contains an element of guilt, I know, and I feel very guilty over something that happened in our childhood. I didn't intend doing anything sinister. Life After Death. A Problem Page. By John Robbins. When my sister was 9 and I was 11, I was curious about what girls looked like, and so I started a game one night, pulling down each other's pants. I tried to get her to show me her private parts, but she didn't want to, so it didn't go any further. I had forgotten completely about the encounter until my sister died. Now I can't talk or think of my sister's death without experiencing a horrible sense of guilt at this isolated incident. The memory of the incident has become increasingly sexualized. I am not sure if the memory fuels the guilt, or if the guilt fuels the memory. At that age there is probably at least a tentative beginning of actual sexual attention, and I now wonder if my interest in seeing my sister's sexual organs was more than just plain factual curiosity. I didn't intend doing anything sinister. Now all my memories of my time with her fade into the shadow of this one desperate recollection. I don't feel I can grieve her properly, as I have to put her out of my mind every time I start to think of her. I just seem unable to forgive myself. However, unconsciously, in that brief game with my little sister I recall an element of sexual excitement.